Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into Korean hairstyles for school, the ones that make you look cute, fresh, and totally K-drama ready, but still super practical for busy mornings. So let's get started. 1. Part your hair into 2 sections and make simple braids. Fold each braid halfway up, secure with a rubber band, and finish with a ribbon at the ends. The result is a cute, bouncy Korean schoolgirl look, playful yet neat for school days. 2. Part your hair into 2 side sections. From each section, take 2 layers of hair and twist them into a rope. At the end, add in the remaining hair by inverting it through the braid and tighten. Gently loosen the upper strands for a softer look, then repeat on the other side. The result is a pretty, effortless Korean-inspired hairstyle. 3. Take a small section of hair at the back and secure it with a rubber band. Flip it inward behind itself to create a soft twist. Repeat the same step 2 more times, layering the twists neatly. Curl the front layers for a softer frame, and finish by tying the back section with a cute ribbon for that perfect Korean school look. 4. Part your hair evenly down the middle and braid each side into neat pigtails. Keep the braids slightly loose so they don't look too tight or harsh, and gently pull a few strands around the front to frame your face. This style gives that soft, innocent vibe you often see in Korean school looks, simple, tidy, and perfect for everyday wear. 5. Leave the front layers softly framing your face. From each side, take a small section of hair and make rope-like braids. After twisting, add a little hair from behind and continue the rope braid to give it more volume. Do the same on both sides, then gently loosen the twists for a softer look. Finally, gather them at the back, secure with a rubber band, and place a bow on top for that pretty Korean school vibe. 6. Start by making 2 mini braids at the front, keeping your bangs loose for a soft look. Leave the braids hanging forward, and then from a little further back, take a section of hair to create a small ponytail. Braid this ponytail, twist it into a mini bun, and secure it with bobby pins on both sides. The result is a cute and tidy Korean school style that feels playful but still effortless. 7. Tie your hair into 2 ponytails, then add small elastics down the length at equal gaps. Gently pull each section to form soft bubbles, and you'll get a cute, trendy Korean school look in minutes. 8. Part your hair into 2 sections and tie them back into a low ponytail. Flip the ponytail inward for a neat twist, then divide it into 2 and braid each side. Keep the braids slightly loose for a soft look, then tie a ribbon at the top where the ponytail begins and also at the ends of both braids for a pretty, school-ready style. 9. Take a small front section and tie it back with a rubber band. Make braids on both sides from the front, then braid the rest of the back hair. Twist the back braid into a bun and secure with bobby pins for a neat, pretty school look. 10. For short hair, tie a small pony at the back and flip it inward. Make mini braids from both sides, tuck them through the ponytail, and secure with a mini clip for a cute school look. That's it, besties. Cute and easy Korean school hairstyles. Tell me your fave in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.